Hi, my name is Anita Hanachkova and I am a dentist. In my work, I assist my patients in maintaining proper dental hygiene, which is the basis of healthy teeth. That is why I recommend True Life sonic toothbrushes at my clinic, which can make taking care of your teeth easier and above all, more effective. In the previous video linked below, we demonstrated how sonic technology works. To get the best results, it is important to know the proper brushing technique, which we'll be showing you now. For optimum efficiency, the cleaning cycle is divided into 4 sections. 30 seconds should be spent on each section. The whole process should be repeated for 2 minutes, both in the morning and in the evening. But if you want to spend more time on your dental hygiene, you don't have to worry about it causing any harm. Unlike a manual toothbrush, there is no need to apply pressure with a True Life sonic toothbrush. Just gently place the brush head so that it is touching the teeth and the gums at the same time, and the brush will do the work for you. Ideally, the toothbrush should be held at a 45-degree angle. With a True Life sonic toothbrush, there is no circular motion needed, which is a common mistake and habit when using a conventional toothbrush. The gentle vibrations take care of everything. Move the toothbrush from one tooth to the other, working first along the front and then the back of the tooth line. The angle needs to be adjusted for the back teeth. Orient the toothbrush this way in the back and vertically in the front. Don't forget to take time to clean the surfaces of each tooth. It is also important that you remember to regularly change the brush head. This should be replaced every 3 to 4 months, even if you do not notice any significant wear. True Life sonic brush will help you maintain good dental hygiene and a radiant smile.
True Life. We do care.